miles an hour. Chance of rain 30%. Friday night and Saturday, partly cloudy. Hot. Lows in the mid-60s. Highs in the... The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Windham County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Tolland County in northern Connecticut, southern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bristol, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hartford, New Britain, West Hartford, Bristol, Manchester, East Hartford, Southington, Glastonbury, Newington, Wethersfield, Farmington, Berlin, Rocky Hill, Avon, Willimantic, Plainville, Coventry, Hebron, Burlington, and Marlborough.